Hi, I'm Dan Brown. I'm the practice director for corporate and enterprise level ERPs here at JourneytEAM. I'm going to briefly review a few key feature releases for D365 Finance and Operations. Let me share this deck with you. So first, I want to speak about intelligent order management. We've heard a lot about this year from Microsoft. And IOM uplevels order fulfillment by enabling firms to automate the process using AI, machine learning, and real-time omni-channel inventory data. Very powerful stuff. IOM also improves fulfillment processes by leveraging the combined efficiencies of Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, Supply Chain Center, and Copilot. Supply Chain Center News module is the other piece I want to highlight today. The news module is where some real power comes into the center. It allows us to foresee, predict, and navigate disruptions across channels, suppliers, and geographies. It also allows for consolidation of data sources and business applications by leveraging some of the AI technologies out there. And lastly, it anticipates external problems like weather, financial, geopolitical events that could influence critical supply chain operations or channels. Lastly, I want to talk about the acceleration of collaborative demand planning within D365. As we bring these technologies and feature sets together, it really allows Dynamics 365 Copilot to facilitate swift conversion of these insights and items and information into actionable strategies. It also helps save time and improve supply chain collaboration across the team. Please reach out to JourneytEAM for any of your Dynamics finance and supply chain operations help.